Here's a continuation of the fractal in the price action on the euro dollar. So this is a really nice example of a market maker sell model that I can see on the 15 minute. This is would have been Monday the 28th of November. So if anyone wanted to study this, they could do the same thing. So the fractal, again, just to recap, I like to start with two lines that looks like this. So this creates a market maker buy model. The reverse of that pattern would be like that, and we have a market maker sell model by that. But on the high, so if this was the 15 minute, on the lower time frame, so let's say the 5 minute, we'd start the market maker buy model by looking for the reverse, which is the sell model, and to the left it would look something like this. So we, around the top of the sell model, there will be a swing high on the higher time frame around this kind of level here, and we also have a convergence of a fair value gap. So those are the elements that I look for on that first stage, which is the reverse of this. So once we've established the sell model here, we project out to the right, and we should see the breaker. And again, we can drop down into the lower time frame for an entry point around here, and where we see pullbacks, you also have buy models on the lower time frame going all the way up. So just to give you an example here on the 15 minute. So we'll start with the first phase, which is okay. We've got a fair value gap. Oh, wrong one. Change that to a rectangle around here, and my eyes are drawn to this swing high. It's the most obvious one there right now, and change the color. Go to red to denote a sell model like that. And as soon as price breaks, we have the confirmation of the sell model. So we have a small pullback just by there, and it carries on going. So there would be on the lower time frame, you can study that, a market maker buy model there as well. But the buy model goes from the original swing high and all the way up to the top like that. So that is pretty much the pattern that I see. We trash this a second. So we actually see sell models here as well, down on the lower time frame. So this would have been a sell model. This would have been a sell model, and we can zoom in. So I'll do that just for argument's sake. Let me place a rectangle just around this area. We'll stick with this. Let's drop into the 5 minute so that we know what we're looking for. Okay, and we can see more clearly just by here. If I just expand that, makes more sense then. So we have plenty of opportunities here, but if we just took this one, you can see a sell model by there, and we project out as price breaks. This is the London open session in the morning, and this is the breakage structure and the shift into bullishness. Again, we've got sell model there. We also have a sell model here. They're everywhere. And if we go down into the minute, so let's just refine this a little bit. We take this one as an example on that's the 5 minute. I'm going to drop into the 1 minute. Find where I am. Okay. And here we go. So the fair value gap is pretty obvious. We can see it just by that. The one that really draws to my attention, swing high that is this here. So we have this low to this high. I could go into the seconds and zoom in on this, and we can see if we span out, as the moment price broke above this this high and closed above it, I can wait for price to come back down below it and get in. So that is the market maker buy model. So each one of these, this is a buy, and that's a buy. This low that we see here is first phase distribution, and this is the second phase of distribution. So all this that you see in the yellow area is the manipulation on the 1 minute, and you can see the market maker buy model playing out right there. And that's just using that principle of using those two lines looking for the fair value gap at the low, where the swing low converges with the fair value gap, and we've got the beginnings of what I look for. So we wait for price to come back and break that low if it was a short that we're looking for.